Ma'am, good morning, all of you. My name is Nazir Praveen from the section D. So, today I'm going to present a presentation on the topic leverages and also throw a light on the bankruptcy of companies and also throw a light on the company that are bounced back from the bankruptcy. So, let's talk on the what is leverages. So, leverages is the issue of the debt that are borrowed capital in order to undertake investment and projects. In other words, instead of issuing stock to raise capital, companies can use debt financial to invest in the business operation and attempt to increase the shareholder and the values. Now, let's talk on the inside of some companies that declare in bankruptcy in the recent past. So the first company that are bankrupted in the recent past is CMX Cinema. CMX Cinema is a chain of movie theater with the denying options filed as the bankruptcy on April 25th. The theater, owned by the parent company's Cinemax Holding, was the process acquiring the Star Cinemas Grill, a deal that was linked in the 6 weeks of the period. And the second company that was bankrupted is Sport International. The Town Sport International, parent of gym chain New York Sport Club and similarly named franchise in the Boston, Washington D.C., and that filed for the bankruptcy on the September 14. The company says customers should not plan to see a break in the services and that employees and will still receive the wages and the benefits. Now, we talk on the inside of few companies which are bounced back after the bankruptcy. So the first one is Delta and second one is Best Buy. So let's talk on the Delta. By the September 2005, Delta Airline had cracked in the billions in the debt. However, Delta refined all by renegotiating union contract, purchasing used plans and new ones, and urging other reform. This tech retail learned from its former competitor mistakes. And the second one is Best Buy, world largest bricks and mortar electronic the store. The CEO cleaned up, disorganized the store, shutting free location, brought in the exclusive